Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing the Systane lubricant eye drops, but this is Ultra PF. PF meaning preservative free for dry eye relief. Great for sensitive eyes. Let's check this out. It's convenient single vials on the go. This is what the packaging looks like. All right, and I actually needed some pretty urgently, so I opened it already, but this is the unboxing experience. Boom, finger in here. Bam. Wow. So this is what it looks like. These are huge vials. Look at how much they hook it up, each one. This is definitely a lot of eye drops in each one, and it's recapable. Just tried this earlier, and that's it. All right, everyone, hope you're doing well and hope your dry eyes do not stay dry for very long. All right, see you all next time. Later.